Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn English Language Skills. So what do I have for you today in this video? I have the power of magic words. Oh yes, which are very important in our spoken English, in terms of etiquette, in terms of mannerisms, in terms of making us a popular, confident person. So my motto is be polite, be popular. And how do we attain success in becoming popular through spoken English? So let's get started. Stay with me till the end of the video. It's an exciting and interesting one. Here we go. Okay, so many words. Oh, I already know these words. What? Thank you. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Could you please? May I? Most certainly. You're welcome. So what is new in this video? I already know these words and I sometimes do make use of them. Do I? Regularly? Ask yourself this question. Do you just say for the sake of it? How do you modulate your voice to say it? Does the listener to whom you're saying feel that warmth when you use these words, or you just say for the heck of it? So if I have to say thank you to you, thank you. Okay, a very quick, fast, just because I had to say thank you to you. Well, I would say have a love affair with these words. Have a love affair with language, words, expressions, sentences. Not the love affair, the other love affair that you have in mind, but we can have love affair by giving warmth to the words that we speak. So if I have to say thank you, I would say thank you so much. Oh, that's so nice of you. Thank you so much. So what did I just do? I extended that so much. So did you get that difference? Once if I say thank you so much, what did I do? I've put my heart and soul into thanking you. This is the power of magic words combined with modulation of voice in your spoken English. So make use of all these words with the warmth of emotions. Instead of saying I'm sorry, say I'm so sorry. Oh, I didn't mean it. Please forgive me. Add that extra bit. So keep that in mind. I could have given a demo of all these words how to speak, but I think you already know. Or if you want, let me see if I can. If I can say, excuse me, could you please pass me that? Okay, so you practice speaking those words. Now tell me, what are the benefits of these wonderful words? Well, it'll portray good manners, that you command good mannerisms. It'll leave a pleasant feeling in the gathering that you are in. You will make friends faster than enemies. I hope you don't make enemies ever in your life. And people who have not been liking you, probably they'll start liking you, and you won't have people disliking you anymore. Of course, when you are married, you are a boss, you are an employee, in whatever stages of your life, it will help you if you are commanding these mannerisms and if you practice these golden words. It will leave an impact on others. What a wonderful person you are. And as my motto, be polite, be popular. The confidence in you will emerge. You will become a successful person in every sphere of your life. Now, how to teach? As parents, I would recommend create a learning environment at home. Practice before you preach, because maybe when the child is an infant, he is just understanding sounds. So speak in that soft-spoken manner, and when he starts understanding some kind of words, then expose him to listening lots of thank yous, sorries, excuse me's, all those things. So you need to be an example. First, you speak in the house so that your child acquires. Encourage your child to speak those words. If he hasn't spoken, politely ask him to speak. And praise. Oh, praises, they do wonders. So keep motivating your child. As teachers, well, now this credit goes to one mom who had suggested that there should be a period in which the teacher should be teaching these words, right? It should be in our curriculum, and I'm very thankful to that mom. I hope you're listening, and this is your idea, and I am putting it in my presentation. So as teachers, we need to teach these golden words. We should repeat in the class. We should praise and encourage children again and again and again, because repetition makes a difference. You teach me today, I might forget it tomorrow. So repeat it in the class. What activities can you do? You can make a chart where you can mark how many magic words did you speak today and how many times. Do a self-analysis. How did you feel on speaking these words? Was it difficult to say sorry? Okay, do a self-analysis and tell me why. I would love to hear from you in the comment box. Did you practice these magic words? What did you do? Did the other person admire you for speaking? So write all the details in the comment box. And promise to be a good listener, to be polite, to be soft-spoken, and be a self-respecting person. I always say English is interesting. Keep learning with me. And do subscribe for my channel. Write in the comment box, did you speak the magic words? Will it help you in your spoken English? Is it helping you in your spoken English? Alright, see you. Thanks for watching.